Hi guys, I miss you all. It's been over a month since I haven't posted any videos like this, so get ready with me to go to a baseball game. By the way, long time no post on my fashion and beauty channel because I was so busy. I've been spending a lot of time with my family and it was a good time though, but I'm nervous that fall 2026 semester at my college starts tomorrow, but I don't have Friday classes, so probably will not go back till Monday. It's gonna be a special night. I can't wait for that. This is gonna be a CSI night at the Fairy Hawks game tonight at 6:30 p.m. I'm so excited for that. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And if you're wondering if I'm gonna do a vlog, a day in the life at the Fairy Hawks game, yes, absolutely. Because I remember back in the summer of 2023 when we went there, and we did a mini vlog for at least maybe up to under or 1 minute of this vlog, 60 seconds of the vlog, but I did not do more than 1 minute of this vlog, but I will do that. Also, my goal is to make more videos before 2026 ends, and then when 2027 hits, I will try to do my best and post more videos like this. I want to do a tangerine orange makeup look for the summer to match the color of the shirt I'm wearing right now. So I'm going to go with this palette, and the color I'm going to be using is this orange color called Friendly. This is a nice orange color for the summer, so we're gonna do that. So once I get there tonight at 6:30, let's hope my vlog, A Day in the Life of the Fairy Hawks, does not go wrong, because what if you, my fans, want to see it? Because why not do a vlog there? Because I've been to the Fairy Hawks since 2023, like on a Friday, May 12th, for over 3 years. Then we went there after school just to hang out and to get out of the house for a little bit. Now to finish off, I'm gonna use this orange color right there. It's like a bright neon sun glow orange color. This is a nice one. It's called Tocan Play. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's spelled Tocan. Let me know in the comments if I'm saying this T word, the name of this orange color, wrong, or I'm saying it correct. Just let me know the correction in the comments. We're gonna go with this color, by the way. I want to give this color a nice fresh neon orange color. And if it doesn't match my shirt, at least I try my best. By the way, just ignore my bangs because I'm definitely not going to do them right now because I'm not going to have much time, because I'm going to be wearing my baseball hat. So stay tuned for the final look in this video and keep watching. Very excited to go to the Fairy Hawks because the last time was back in 2024 in the summertime. Haven't been going there since then. Now this is the first time in 2 years. Also, I only post 4 vlogs for this year's summer, but I will do more before summer ends. And even if summer ends, I'll still continue vlogging in the fall season, winter season, and spring season. Okay, come back for the final eye look and I'll be right back to do the lips. Okay, this is the final eye look. And the lashes I wore is this pack. So the ones I had for my last video, I'm gonna give that a rest till 1 week ahead. So that does not mean I'm not gonna wear it anymore, but I was overusing it too much, so I'm gonna give that a rest till next week. But I'll still wear it. Anyways, we're gonna go with this L'Oreal lipstick in orange color, 410 Volcanic, right here. By the way, we're gonna go with this Wet n Wild Cloud Pout orange lipstick, lip gloss. And lastly, we're gonna go with this 920 Nude Lust lipstick from Maybelline. It's like a beige color. And apparently I'm running low, but I will get another one if I want to. Okay, this is the final makeup look, so I hope you all liked it. And by the way, I did my nails in magenta on the right side and hot pink on the left side. Cool, huh? By the way, I'm not gonna do my bangs today because I don't have time for that, but I will do my hair, put on my baseball hat, and I'll come right back to show you guys my final look. Okay guys, this is the final makeup look once again, but this is the final hair look, and I'm wearing my favorite pink baseball hat, which is absolutely stunning and cool and gorgeous. Alright guys, so wish me a have fun at my event today. We're going to be vlogging tonight. It's going to be a lot of fun. Alright, so if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. I will keep posting more videos until summer ends. And even when summer ends, I'll continue to post videos in the fall, winter, and season. So stay tuned for more videos. Alright, so thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye!